Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front. We do get blind spot detection, as well as a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does TF25 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, little storage area here. We got cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, and we do get under-seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your lights, gas cap, parking brake on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.5 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer right there with My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. For your drive modes, you do get normal, sport, tow and haul, with eco, and slippery. And to my right here, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, cup holders, and storage, 12-volt USB and USB-C, engine start stop, storage below, with playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, max temp, auto hold, volume, storage below and above with a lovely infotainment system, climate controls at the bottom, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, settings, features of the vehicle, and any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA29046, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.